an off-plan project? An off-plan project is a property that is available for sale before it is constructed. Now, there are lots and lots of benefits of keying into off-plan projects, but I'll be mentioning a few to you today. The first one is when you key into an off-plan project, you have the opportunity of buying the property below the market value, and upon completion, selling it at the current market value, that is good investment for you, right? Secondly, you have the opportunity to personalize some aspects of your home, such as the kitchen, the bathroom, the lighting, or even the tiling, unlike properties that are fully completed. Now, the estimated time for an off-plan project to be completed is between 12 to 24 months. Now, when you key into an off-plan project, it gives you the opportunity to spread payments through the building stages. Now, this also helps you relieve the stress on your bank account or your wallet. Now, with that being said, I would like to introduce you to one of our many off-plan projects located in Lekki, just by the Chevron Headquarters. And it's just a few minutes away from the Victoria Garden City, and it shares a very close proximity to the Lekki Conservation Center. Now, thereby giving you the opportunity to enjoy nature at its finest and also the benefits of what nature brings to your doorstep. Now, before I introduce this new development, which is the Phase 3, properly to you, let's take a little trip to Orchard Road off the Lekki Expressway, which is the Phase 2 of this property. Now, come with me. Now, I said we should take a little trip. Now, this is a trip. Welcome to West Bridge Estate Phase 2. Now, we started this project last year at about July, August to be precise. And see how far we've gone. We're about 70 to 80% already gone. Here is a fully serviced estate. We're going to be having 24 hours power supply, 24 hours security, a biogas sewage system. We're also going to be having a well-equipped gym, a swimming pool. In short, this is going to be very, very amazing. And aside the fact, here, what we built here, we built blocks of duplexes. 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ, 4-bedroom terrace duplex without a BQ, and 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ. This is all that we have here. It's going to be an amazing estate. So you can see. Now let's go over to Phase 3 so you can see what we're going to be having there. Did you enjoy the trip to Phase 2? That was Phase 2. Now this is Phase 3. It's a new development. It's going to be a fully serviced estate with 24 hours security, 24 hours power supply, biogas sewage system. We're also going to be having a CCTV surveillance camera everywhere in this full estate. We're going to be having a well-equipped gym house. We're going to be having swimming pool. In short, this is going to be an amazing place. Good drainage system, a dedicated transformer, all for this estate, so you don't even need to think of NEPA lights and all that. Now, here in this estate, we're going to be having 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ, going for 68 million naira. A 4-bedroom fully detached duplex going for 85 million naira, and 4-bedroom terrace duplex without a BQ going for 58 million naira. Now, with an initial deposit of 30 to 50% and spread the balance all through 12 months, you are on your way to locking one or more units for yourself. I'm sure you must be wondering, why one or more units? Well, that's where the power of rental income comes in. You can sell one or you put up the other one for your yearly rent. Now, the yearly rent for the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex ranges from 4 million naira and above. And the yearly rent for the 4-bedroom fully detached duplex ranges from 4.5 million naira and above. Why the 4-bedroom terrace duplex ranges from 3.5 million naira and above. So you see, it's a win-win decision for you. Now, all I need you to do is to call the number on the screen. Either you send us a message or you call the numbers, and we will be so glad to help you with this transaction, to help you have a smooth and a seamless transaction. Now, if it's your first time of joining us in this family or in this channel, I say welcome. We're so excited when we have new additions to our family. You have just stumbled on the right channel, where we teach you and give you the best deals ever on real estate, both lands and houses, and we give you all the best advisory so that you can make the best decision on your real estate investment. Now, it's important that you click on the subscribe button, and very important that you turn on your notification bell so that when we upload every week, you'll be the first to know. And you know the way we like our smashing the like button and share the good news to everyone around the four corners of this earth. I am the Itimo Williams, a property consultant and your best guide to your real estate investment journey. So until I come your way next time, please always stay informed and keep watching my channel. Until then, have a lovely day.